to Jerry Springer. What a show we have for you today. Cho, our mammalian cell, is with us to tell the story of life and tissue culture negligence. Dr. Acula is here to defend allegations of cell mistreatment. In tissue culture, aseptic techniques are essential. Let's have a look at how an ideal setting for Cho would be before we start. A laminar flow hood is essential to keep a clean environment for cells to breed in. Before and after use, everything must be clean using a 70% ethanol solution. Without this, the cells can become contaminated and experiments ruined. A neat and organized layout is essential to allow a clear flow of air and to avoid cross-contamination. Most equipment is single-use and disposable to minimize and avoid contamination. Items such as the pipettes are disposed of in special bins to contain any biological hazards. In the room there is an incubator to grow cells and a microscope to view cells. Please give a warm welcome to Cho.
Thank you, Jerry, for having me on your show, and I really hope that you can help us from our scientist. Like, at the start, she was brilliant. She always looked after us, never contaminated us, always washed down with ethanol, and was so aseptic. But now, it's like a new person. She always overcrowds the laminar flow hood. She never sprays down with ethanol. She even allows other people to work in her workspace that constantly contaminate us, make us breathe unfiltered air. Like, how are we supposed to go on? And nothing said. And splitting us? She goes days without splitting us. There's no nutrients. We're cramped. If we're not stressed out, we die. How are we supposed to go on? And when she does split us, to break the bond on the flask, you use trypsin, but you only use that for 5 minutes. If not, we die. And yet, she does. There could be 20 minutes pass before she'll take it off. And then she wonders why half of her experiments don't work. Why there's hardly any of us there. The amount of mutations we have because of this is jaw-dropping. I don't know how we're going to continue. And don't even get me started on when she freezes us down. We never wake up. We're too stressed.
Thank you, Cho. Please welcome Dr. Acula, here to voice her deep remorse.
I don't know what to say. I didn't realize it got that bad. I am sorry for my action. I have lost my spark for tissue culture. Please forgive me.
Thank you, Dr. Acula. If you are serious about changing, we have the top tissue culture scientists in the world backstage to help both you and your cells. Tune into next week's show when cells go bad.